Hello and welcome back to my another quick unboxing and review video. In this video I am going to share with you quick unboxing and review Dell Vostro 3520 laptop. So let's take a look. This is my Dell Vostro box, how exactly looks like. Now I'm going to unboxing this Dell Vostro box and then I'm going to share with you how exactly this Dell Vostro laptop looks like, or what we're going to inside this box, or etc. things. After unboxing this Vostro 3520, what we're going to see inside this box: a quick user guide and itself our Dell laptop and a power adapter. Now let's jump over this Vostro laptop by side, how exactly this laptop looks like and etc. things. So if we jump over this Vostro laptop, in the front side there is a Dell logo, and if we jump over this Vostro laptop by side, in the left side we'll see there is a power adapter, HDMI slot and USB-A slot. Now if you jump over on the other side, we will see there is you can easily insert your SD card and another USB slot and Ethernet connector and headphone slot. Now, and this is the back side view how this Vostro laptop looks like. Now if I try to open this Vostro laptop, let me see how exactly looks. So this is after opening the Vostro laptop, this is how exactly it looks like. Here we will see there is a full keyboard which is coming with number pad, and also it has a touch pad, and also we can see there is a front facing camera. Let's jump over this laptop specification. It has Intel Core i7 12th generation processor, and the processor speed is up to 4.7 gigahertz. And display size is 15.6 inches, and it's coming with full HD display, and display resolution is 1920 into 1080. It has Intel USD graphic, and also it's coming with Windows 11 Home, and it has a 512 GB M.2 SSD, and also it's coming with 8 GB RAM. It has other connectivity like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Also it's coming with built-in dual stereo speaker. Also it's coming with fingerprint. Also it has a webcam which is 720p HD camera, and this laptop weight is 1.66 kg. I brought this laptop from Saudi Arabia local market, which was cost me around 2,400 real. So if you convert it to dollar, which will cost you around $640. So in $640 we're going to see a beautiful, stylish, large screen laptop which has a most of them available slots is available, and also it has a large display which is 15.6 inches. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family.